boys and girls, welcome to Growing Guitar. We have a great song here from Myles Smith, who's been with us many times here on this channel before. This time we have a song called Gold, and it's a great song. We have only two chords to use here, guys. I'm using a capo on the second, and I'm gonna give you the two chords needed for that setup. Later on, I'm also gonna give you the two chords without any capo, but I prefer to go capo on second. That's the easiest way, in my opinion. And this song has the sound of a ukulele playing, and therefore I'm using my parlor sized guitar from Anchor Guitar. This model is called the Sparrow, and if you are curious in getting one of these, I can really recommend them. They are very affordable as they are price wise, and if you get into my channel here, you can get a coupon code to get even 10% off of that price, around $300 or so. So yeah, get the opportunity to get one great guitar from Anchor Guitars. Now let's go into this tutorial here with the setup on second fret with the capo, and let's take a look at the two chords needed. We have the D and A. So we're gonna start with D. It goes open D, second G, third B, and second E. And we're gonna shift from that chord to A, and that goes open A, second D, second G, second B, and open E. Okay, so you're gonna go just an alternate between these two chords, and we have a strumming pattern we need to learn. So if you grab the first chord D, one string around will be like this. So that is first one down, then comes down up, and then up down up. So down down up, up down up. A couple rounds. I play 4 rounds for you there, and that is exactly what you're gonna do. You're gonna play D4, and then you're gonna shift to A and play 4 there. And guess what? You're just gonna alternate D4, 8-4, D4, 8-4 throughout this song. So a couple of rounds back and forth goes like this. Alright, so there you have it. And I also promised you to get you the chords without any capo, so I'm gonna lose this one here, drop it like that, and then give you the chords. And now they will be E to B, okay? So E goes like this. It will be open E, second A, second D, first G, open B, and open E. And that replaces the D chord. And next, the B replaces the A. So it's a bar chord. So you play the index finger on the second fret and push down the 5 strings if you count from bottom up like this. And then you need to add 4th on D, 4th on G, and 4th on B. You can also get away with the sus version of it, and then you can skip that 4th B. Release that, and I'll just keep the rest there. So with that, you're gonna sound like this. But I still recommend the capo if you have one. If you haven't, then get one. I can really recommend that, and use the simpler version of D to A. And that's it, my friends. You have the song from Myles Smith called Gold. 2 chords only, doesn't have to be harder than that. Good luck, and play tuned.